Hi everyone, I'm Teresa the teacher, and today we are going to learn some names of herbs. Herbs, what does it mean? A herb, plural herbs, British English, herb, herb, American English, herb, herb, or herb, herb, British, herb, American, herb or herb. A plant whose leaves, flowers, or seeds are used to add taste to food, in medicines, or for their pleasant smell. Now, the vocabulary. It's best if you listen, repeat, and if the photos or the pictures don't help you understand which herb it is, or if you need translations into your own language, you need an online dictionary or a dictionary, okay? My cat is being noisy. Anyway, listen and repeat. Chives, chives. Be careful, chives are good. For example, chives are nice. Chives are good for you. Chives is a noun which is always plural, okay? Plural. Parsley, British English, parsley, parsley, American English, parsley, parsley, British, parsley, American, parsley. Sage, British and American, sage. British, rosemary, rosemary. American, rosemary, rosemary. British, rosemary. American, rosemary. Thyme, British and American, thyme. Oops. And with these herbs, you can make a song. And this famous song goes, are you going to Scarborough Fair? Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. So many herbs. Wow. Okay, British English, basil, basil. American English, basil, 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 basil. That's what I've got here, basil or basil. Next, in British English, coriander, 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 or American English, coriander, coriander. In American English, oops, you can also say cilantro, cilantro. Don't mind the coriander thing. The coriander thing is from Czech. That's Czech, you don't need it. Coriander, British, or coriander, American, or cilantro, American. I'm sorry about the Czech translation. It's a mistake in my presentation. Marjoram, marjoram, marjoram in British English, and marjoram, marjoram, marjoram in American English. British English, oregano, 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 and American English, oregano, oregano, oregano. Okay, British and American, mint, mint, mint. British and American, lemon balm, lemon balm, lemon balm. British and American, bay leaf, bay leaf. Dill, 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 again, British and American. And a little game for you. You can stop the video and then you can try to say what kinds of herbs these are in English. Then you can play it again and I'll tell you the right answers. Are you ready? All right, so you can stop it or pause it now. Are we back? So the first one was parsley. The second one was basil, or basil. The third one is sage, and then at the bottom you have dill, and then rosemary or rosemary, and mint, and then thyme. Well, that's about it. I'm sorry about the Czech word in the presentation. So sorry about the Czech, but I don't want to make the video again because my cat was very beautiful at the beginning of the video and I don't have the time and energy to edit it. So sorry about the Czech. Otherwise, it was all very nice British or American English. If you want more videos like this, I would like you to please like, comment, and subscribe. That's about it from me now. Thank you very much and see you next time.